Great Smoky Mountains National Park is home to a large number of rare bird species, but finding where they live and how many there are can be difficult.
That's true. 10 News reporter Katie Roach is with researchers at Seven Islands Wildlife Refuge, and she has more on an interesting thing they're trying to do. Good morning.
Good morning. That's right. We are out here at Seven Islands Wildlife Refuge in Knox County. It is absolutely beautiful out here, and I'm not sure if you can hear it, but right now I am listening to several different bird calls. Now, over here you can see some of the grad students are actually researching right now, trying to pick up these sounds and figure out exactly what the calls are, and actually they're trying to make a mathematic algorithm. So you might think that these students would be biology students, but they are actually math students from all across the country. Now, here to tell us a little more about the research is Dr. Kirschenbaum. Tell us about what the students are doing right now.
Well, I'm from an institute which is, our aim is to bring together math and biology, to use math to solve biological problems. And we have these students, which are outstanding math students that we've brought in from across the country. And their job is to try and develop some artificial intelligence algorithm that will allow them to detect these calls and the songs of rare bird species, so that we can assess the populations to see whether the populations are in decline, whether the populations are stable. And as you can hear from the large number of different species that are all singing at the same time, that's not an easy task. They have to pick out the specific species that we're interested in.
And maybe also here is Dr. Bueller. He's a wildlife professor at UT. He's going to tell us about what is the actual goal of all this, the ultimate goal.
So this project is really aimed at helping wildlife conservation and specifically bird conservation. There's a lot of declining bird species in Tennessee, across the country, and in the world, and even finding them in the first place is a real daunting task. The value of this approach is that we can put these automated acoustic monitors out and we can listen 24/7 for these birds, and then our great math students can come back and they can run the algorithms and see if we've gotten any. So this is a great combination between the math students' abilities and our abilities in wildlife.
All right, well, we'll be back out here a little bit later to talk to some of these grad students about exactly what they are doing. So for now, we'll send it back to you.
All right, Katie, thank you so much. We appreciate it. We got to interview her this week about her life. She's from East Tennessee. She's our new morning reporter. We welcome her to the show.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll be finding out a little more about her later in the week.
Researchers are in Kodak today studying the large number of rare bird species in the Smoky Mountains.
10 News reporter Katie Roach is with researchers at Seven Islands Wildlife Refuge to show us what they're doing up there. Good morning.
Well, we are out here at Seven Islands Wildlife Refuge in Knox County, and what we are out here doing, we're here with 3 students from across the U.S. who are here trying to research different types of bird calls. Now, these are actually math students. I'm here with one. Her name is Nicole Bender, and she is from Marist College. She's going to tell us a little bit about what they're doing and the type of equipment that they're using.
Okay, so this is our recording device that we've been using, and the sound comes in through this microphone. And it has this shape so it can accurately or more efficiently detect the sounds that we're aiming for. So you kind of point and aim at the bird that we're looking for, and it gives us a better signal. And then our goal is to get these sound files onto our computer and then run these files through our algorithm in order to detect the specific bird call.
And I was talking with Nicole earlier. One thing she told me was that she was really interested in putting math and biology together, which is exactly what the NIMBUS program, which is what all of this is through. That's the National Institute for Mathematical and Biological Synthesis. It's on UT's campus. That's what they're trying to do, is put math and biology together. Tell us a little bit about why that interests you so much and why you wanted to come be a part of this.
Okay, so I've always been interested in mathematics. I've always had a knack for it. And then as I got into college, I started taking a few biology classes, and I fell in love with it. And I wanted to combine both passions, and this was kind of my way to do it. And this was my first real experience in combining the 2 areas of interest. So it's great.
All right, well, they're going to be out here a little bit more today. They say the best time to catch the different bird calls is before 10 o'clock, so which is why we're out here so early in the morning. So we're going to let them get back to their research, and for now, we'll send it back to you all.
Certainly an interesting project. You guys love
Our
this.
family is big into birds. We love them. We keep the bird, we have a bird feeder, and we keep our bird book nearby so we can identify the birds on the bird feeder.
I love it. I think it's so Great Smoky Mountains National Park is home to a large number of rare bird species, but finding where they live and how many there are can be challenging.
Like doing a census, I guess. 10 News reporter Katie Roach explains how they're studying bird songs to figure out where the birds live.
We are out here at Seven Islands Wildlife Refuge in Knox County. It is absolutely beautiful out here, but why these researchers are out here with the NIMBUS Institute, which is the National Institute for Mathematical and Biological Synthesis, is to try to identify all these different bird calls. I don't know if you can hear them, but out here they are very audible. Now, one of the students, his name is Christian Mason. He's from Harvey Mudd College out in California. Why did you want to come out here to UT's campus and be a part of this?
Well, one of my advisors told me about the NIMBUS program, and I'm actually majoring in both math and biology. So I really love the ability to, go out into the field like we are now, record our own sounds, pretty much get our own data, and then also be able to implement, different algorithms, use both math and biology together, solve some problems.
And what is it that you want to do? What is the ultimate goal of all of this?
So all of this essentially is, can we identify species X in this sound file? It'd be great. We're studying tons of rare birds that could become extinct or endangered, and it'd be great if we could get some sort of survey of, our population is declining, are they growing actually? That'd be awesome. So yeah, it'd be great if we could have some sort of product that kind of works on a sound file to tell whether these different birds are present.
Well, these students will be out here with their professors for the next couple of hours. They say the best time to actually hear bird calls is before 10 o'clock. So if you're interested, you can come up here to Seven Islands Wildlife Refuge and hear them for yourself pretty much on any day. But for now, we'll send it back to you.
Katie, what a beautiful morning. Thank you very much.